The United Nations is a global organization designed to maintain international peace and security. Let us look at how it actually functions. The UN stands for the United Nations, a unique assembly where nearly every country on Earth meets to discuss shared challenges. Today, 193 countries are members. This represents almost every sovereign state on our planet. The organization focuses on four main pillars: keeping the peace, protecting rights, providing relief, and fostering global development. The UN was created after World War II to replace the earlier League of Nations, which lacked the authority to prevent global conflict. The UN is funded by member contributions and voluntary donations, which support its various agencies and peacekeeping missions around the globe. While imperfect, it remains the primary table where nations can sit down to negotiate instead of resorting to force. Understanding global institutions helps us see how the modern world connects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more educational guides.